First, remove the packing and unbox the product. Then, remove the W5000 to the mounting location. Check the quantity of the accessories content. Choose the wall surface and height you like, and stick the wall-mounted frame hole location plan against the wall. And remember to use spirit level to test if the location plan is horizontal. And then, drill 4 holes in the wall with the impact drill. Hammer the expansion bolt into the wall and make it fully expand, and then remove the bolt from the wall. Align 4 holes with the bracket and lock the bolts tightly into the wall. And then, hang the W5000 on the bracket. On the top of W5000, align with the screw holes and lock the 2 M6 screws. Test the torque value with a torque wrench. Lock the screw tightly until it reaches 6 Nm. Remove the side panels and insert the power cable on both positive and negative. Refer to the user manual and dial the code to the correct value according to the protocol of the corresponding inverter. Connect the ground wire to the battery. Turn on the battery first and then the inverter. And now you're all set.